Anytime you're strengthening your core, it's important to remember the muscles in your back as well. One of the exercises that you can use to strengthen your back is called the Superman. It's done on the floor with your arms reaching out in front of you and your legs long behind you. You'll create a big lift by squeezing the muscles of your back and then controlling the release back down to the floor. It will look like this. Start laying all the way forward with your arms overhead, legs long behind you, and start to squeeze the muscles of your back to lift up. Find your very highest point, and then control your way all the way back down to the floor. You can do this in two ways: very slow, smooth, controlled lifts and lowers, or squeeze the muscles, lift to the top, and hold for as long as you can before coming back down. Once you feel that the muscles of your back have been strengthened, finish your repetitions, support your way up to a seated position, and you're done.